Hi, this is Misha from Citizenserve. In this brief video, I'll show you some exciting changes in the Citizenserve new release, specifically your homepage, now called the dashboard. We're producing additional videos on our new release, and you can find them on our website under the Live Demos link. Check out the new release category. But right now, let's jump in and review the new dashboard layout. Off the bat, you'll notice the navigation bar has moved. In the old release, it spanned the top of the screen, and in the new release, it's on the left side of your screen. The plus sign indicates expandable menus. Make sure to check out the new release videos for user options and main menu options for an in-depth look at those features. The staff site is now built with responsive design. If you access your account from a tablet or phone, or if you just want to shrink down your browser page, the navigation pane relocates to the menu icon next to the Citizenserve logo. But now, let's look at what the dashboard displays and how you can use it to your best advantage. Liam's dashboard displays his task list at the top. Notice the new filter toolbars at the top of the listing. The Tasks by Due Date filter allows you to toggle your view to either due or overdue tasks. Here's a tip. When you hover over the number on any filter, the system displays the category name. Blue items are due, red items are overdue. When I click the Tasks by Due Date header, it clears the filter. The filter Tasks by Status toolbar allows you to display all tasks by the selected status. Hover over the number to see the status and click it to apply the filter. The system will assign a new color bar for every status on your taskbar, so you may see a different layout depending on your number of statuses. And when I click the Tasks by Status header, it clears the filter. The new release also offers sorting and filtering in your main list. If the column header has a caret at the right, you can filter with this field. These additional filter options are set on the task, due date, description, and status column headers. Click the caret to view the filter options. Select an entry to filter by. You can remove the filter by clicking the caret again and then selecting the column name at the top of the list. Your task list can be sorted using the up and down arrows next to the column headers. The up arrow will apply an ascending sort order, and the down arrow will apply a descending sort order. You can quick sort using the task, due date, address, description, and status headers. Note that the first column of your task list holds icons you may not see for every activity. The exclamation point is an alert. The red hand indicates a project condition. And now you can click the lightning bolt to view previous comments. Did you know you could update multiple tasks from one screen? In the prior release, this feature was triggered by the Allow Completing Tasks option under My Settings. Now you just open the My Tasks page. From your dashboard, click the blue My Tasks header that will load the My Tasks page. You can also get here by clicking the My Tasks quick link icon in the top right of your screen, then select View All Tasks. You have the same sort and filter options that are available on the dashboard view. Use the print icon to print your task list, and use the map view icon to display your tasks on a map. In the map view, you can click the list icon to return to your task list. The filter icon allows you to apply filters, and the layer icon presents any GIS layers to overlay on the map. Note, these layers will depend on your environment's GIS integration. The next tool on Liam's dashboard is his calendar. As you can see, the calendar also has filter bars available. By default, the calendar will show you today's events. The My Calendar This Week filter displays the number of inspections per day in the color bar. And remember this tip, when you hover over the number in any filter bar, it'll display the name of the category, like the day of the week. The My Calendar Today filter shows items still due in red and completed items in blue. Click on Day of the Week number or the status to filter your calendar, and then click a filter header to clear the filter. Jump to the appointment by clicking the task name, or visit the project by clicking the project number. Click the My Calendar link to open the calendar page. You can also get here by clicking the My Calendar quick link at the top of your screen, then clicking View All Appointments. The calendar will remember the last view you set. Use the View button to select between your calendar, multiple calendars, or select another user. To view multiple calendars, make that selection in the View option and then select your user type. Note the calendar event now displays the project address. Use the Hide Completed Items button to filter your view. To add a new calendar item, use the Add Appointment button. Remember, if you set the calendar integration under your user settings, you'll also receive an Outlook or Google Mail calendar item in your inbox. And if the user profile section is new to you, check out our short video on user options. Use the Map button to view the day's appointments on a map. The list icon returns you to your calendar view. Use the filter icon to filter your view on the map. The display option allows you to display your tasks, your calendar, or department tasks. Your rights will also dictate whether you can see department tasks at all. The due date field allows you to filter for overdue tasks, tasks due today, or tasks in a date range. You can also filter activities by their status. Use the activity type dropdowns to filter inspections, reviews, and other activity types. Use the checkbox to remove that activity type from the map. Make sure to save your changes. And the layers icon allows you to add any layers from your GIS. And now we've arrived at the Unassigned Tasks tool. In the old release, this was found in a metric on your task list, but now you have two filter bars to manage your task display. The Unassigned Tasks by Due Date filter shows overdue tasks in red, tasks due today in blue, and upcoming tasks in gray. The Unassigned Tasks by Type is a new feature, and it works like this. Inspection activities are gray, review activities are dark blue, and standard tasks are blue-gray. And remember, you can hover over the number of items with your mouse to see what type of a task it is. Claim unassigned tasks using the Assign to Me checkbox. Your name will appear in the Assign To box. Use the drop-down to assign the task to other users, or use the ellipsis to pull up the staff calendar for the day of that event. View your own or another user's calendar by picking their name in the Assign To drop-down, and use the View Multiple Calendars checkbox and select a user type to show multiple calendars. And if you manage a single task from your department's unassigned task list, make sure to check out the Single Metrics section coming up in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about the expanded options available in Metrics. In the prior release, metrics were displayed as a graph, but in the new release, there are 4 different types: chart metrics, report metrics, single metrics, and trend metrics. Let's start on the chart type. The new pie chart replaces the old graph metrics. The total count is listed at the top of the tile. Click the header to display the metric details. Each category count is visible when you hover over the chart. Click on the chart section to view files that make up that category. And to see these items on a map, click the Map View button. Click the vertical ellipses to configure your metric. This allows you to rename it. And since metrics are sorted alphabetically, you can use this to change your sort order. To add a new chart metric, select Add Metric underneath Dashboard Options on the left navigation pane. Set your metric type to chart, then select the metric you'd like. Add a time period and scope, then press Save. As always, if you'd like a custom chart metric, submit a support request. And to remove any metric from your home page, click the ellipsis and select Remove this component. Report metrics give you quick access to frequently run reports. The report icon corresponds to the report type, either map, chart, or list. To run the report, just click the report tile, and then enter the report parameters, if any. Use the vertical ellipses to remove the component from your page. And to add a report metric, select Add Metric from the left navigation page, then follow the prompts. Single metrics are new, and they call out a single category on your dashboard. They're the same shape and size as report metrics, but single metrics have a full color tile, while report metrics have a white text label. The Open Files metric replaces the My Open Files link on your old home page. Click the metric to view the details. Use single metrics to show unassigned inspections or unassigned reviews. Or if you manage a specific task in your department's unassigned task list, you can request a custom single metric to display just your tasks. To add a single metric, click Add Metric from the menu on the left. Select Single Item, and then select the metric you'd like. Don't forget to press Save. To request a single metric, submit a support request with the details you'd like to see. And finally, let's talk about trend metrics. Yes, they're new. A trend metric displays trend data on the tile. One difference about trend metrics is that they display all their data on this screen. You can't drill down into them. Use the vertical ellipses to configure or remove an item. In this case, you can change the name or you can change the color. To add a new trend metric, select Add Metric on the left, make your metric type Trend, and then choose the metric you'd like. Then click Save. The fourth trend metric will fall to the new line. We're excited about the new location features. They're coming soon, and we'll cover them in a separate video. Finally, let's review the configuration options for the dashboard. First, find the Dashboard Options header on your left pane and click Configure. The My Tasks options are listed next to the blue checklist. Checking My Tasks will add tasks to your dashboard. The other checkboxes display the due date filter and the status filter. My Calendar options are listed next to the red calendar. Checking My Calendar will add your calendar to your dashboard. The calendar also includes additional filter headers you can include or exclude with these checkboxes. Unassigned tasks are listed next to the gray paper tray. Checking Unassigned Tasks will add this list to your dashboard. Check the filter tools for due date or activity type to add them to your unassigned task list. Location services can be displayed or hidden here, and keep an eye out for another video on location services coming soon. Finally, you can change the display order using the table at the bottom of the screen. Just select the item that you want, then use the up and down buttons to move the item. And don't forget to hit the Save button. Now we've completed our review of the dashboard in Citizenserve's new release. We hope you're as excited about it as we are. If you're a current customer and would like to move to the new release, please submit a support request in Citizenserve and we'll contact you. And if you're interested in our community development software suite, please continue to check out our website, including a pricing calculator. You can request a live demo or contact us today. And thanks for watching.